Guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Ethereum, Arbitrum 1 network Ethereum, to be used as gas fee for claiming your Avive profile NFT. Now, this Avive profile NFT is a prerequisite to passing your KYC. The last two videos I dropped in this channel explains very well how to go about claiming the Avive profile NFT. Now, some persons have asked me a lot of questions on how to go about getting the Ethereum to be used as gas fee for claiming the Avive profile NFT. And that is why I've decided to create this video. Now, if you take a look at this, this is my channel, this is my YouTube channel. If you take a look at the screen, you'll see some persons have asked or requested me to create a video. Okay, you can see here, someone is asking, please create the video. This person asks, thank you, please create the video. The same question here. How can I get Arbitrum Ethereum? Create the video. How can I get Arbitrum Ethereum? Okay, so this video is in response to this request. So I'm going to show you how you can get your Ethereum in Arbitrum 1 network. Now guys, actually there are many ways one can get this Ethereum. Okay, you can buy from a vendor, a trusted vendor, someone whom you know. You can buy from the person. You can as well buy online. You can buy from exchanges, different exchanges. You can buy from there, then you transfer to your MetaMask wallet. Then you use it to claim your Avive profile NFT. Okay, so now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making use of my Binance. Okay, Binance is one of the crypto exchange. I know it is not a familiar word, and it's not a familiar. It's not something you've not heard of before. Sorry for that. Okay, so we will quickly dive into our Binance app to purchase our Ethereum on Arbitrum 1 network. So this is my Binance account. This is my Binance wallet. Okay, if you do not have a Binance account, I'm going to drop the link in the description so that with the link you can register. You download the app on Play Store. So after you must have installed the app, you click on the app, you register, you sign up, then you open it. This is the first page that is going to appear. This is the home page. Now, what we need to do now is we will quickly go to trade. Okay, this is my trade here. So I'm going to click on trade. Then for this video, we'll be making use of a P2P. Okay, we are going to buy from trusted, verified, certified vendors that have been approved by Binance. Now, you do not need to be scared. You do not need to be afraid of having your funds get lost. Reason being that Binance, as the topmost crypto exchange in the whole world, has the details of these vendors, and they have all their assets locked up by Binance. So there is no cause for alarm. Your investment or your money is not going to be lost. Okay, so now let's quickly click on P2P. Then we'll quickly come over to ETH. Okay, what we're interested in buying is ETH. Now, this is the P2P section. We have the USDT, the BTC, the FVUSD, we have the BNB, we have ETH, we have Naira, we have Solana, and we have BUSD. Now, but our interest is on ETH. This is our interest. Our interest is on ETH. So I'm going to click on ETH right now. Then this page is going to appear. Here we have numerous vendors, lots and lots of vendors. Okay, now when you take a look at this, you see that some of them, their price ranges are a bit high, which some of us may not be able to afford. So I'm going to do my best to find a vendor that sells the cheapest. Okay, so I'm going to filter these. I'm going to filter all these vendors to give me one that is very, very cheap. So I'm going to click on this filter button so that I will filter it to my test. When I click on filter, I'm going to enter the amount here at this amount section, enter total amount. Okay, so I'm going to enter the amount of Naira which I want to use to buy this Ethereum. Okay, now here I'm going to type in 4,000 naira. Now, please take note, the list in Nigerian currency that Binance can accept is 4,000 naira. When it goes below, you can't do any transaction. Okay, there will be no provision for you to buy less than 4,000 naira. Okay, now, so I'm going to click on the confirm button. So the system, the Binance app, will automatically search for those who sell between the range of 4,000 naira and above. Okay, now here I have 3 vendors. We have the first one here, we have the second one here, and this is the third one. Okay, so I'll be going, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with the first one. Reason being that when you check their delivery rate here, having this thumbs up as its indicator, okay, I mean this thumbs up, you see that this is 99%, this is 94%, and this is 96%. So we believe that the one that has the greater percentage is the one whose transaction is more faster and quicker. Okay, and here you can see the completion rate. Okay, you can see the completion rate. This one has a very high, the first one has a very high completion rate. So I'm going to go with the first vendor. So I'm going to click on buy. Okay, click on the buy button. Then here I'm going to enter the amount in naira of Ethereum which I want to buy. So I'm going to type 4,000 naira. Now, as you can see here, I've just typed 400, okay, and here it says the minimum is 4,000 naira. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to complete the zeros to 4,000. Then I'm going to click on buy with 0 fee. So now it says our prices have been updated. This is because the prices of cryptocurrency, they are not stable, especially altcoins, they are not stable. Okay, now I'm going to click on refresh to give me the current price. So I'll click it, then okay, then I'm going to type in the 4,000 naira again, then buy with 0 fee. Okay, I'll still refresh again. So the price keeps on changing. Okay, the price keeps on changing. I will click on OK now, then enter it again, buy with 0 fee. Now, as you can see, it's going to take me to the page where I'm going to see the order which I have created. Now, this is the page. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on make payment now. Now, you have to be fast while doing this. So I'm going to click on this button. So I'll click on make payment. So you get your mobile app ready. So these are the different payment gateways that this vendor has. He has PalmPay, okay, Kuda, he has OPay, and another Kuda. Okay, so I'll be going with Kuda. Okay, that is this first one. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to transfer the money. So guys, take note. I have 14 minutes to do this transfer. Okay, so I'm going to copy this number, this account number. Okay, then I'm going to go to my app, then send exactly 4,000 naira to this account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Yes, so guys, I have transferred the money right now. So what next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button. Okay, I'm going to click on that button below. But before that, I want you to take note of these. Okay, guys, take note of these. It says that all payments must be from the same name as your Binance account. That is, the name and the details with which you used for verification of your bank account. That is the same account detail, bank account detail that you're going to use to send this money. Okay, what I mean by this is if my name is Mr. John Okafor and my brother's name is Mr. Kennedy Okafor, I cannot, while using my account, use my brother's bank details to send the money. It will not be recognized. It will be, or rather they will see it as if you are not the one who sent the money, thereby not crediting your wallet after making the payment. So you make sure that the name you use and the document you use for verification of your Binance account is the same bank account details that you are using for this transaction. Okay, so I'm quickly going to click on this transfer, notify seller. Okay, now as you can see, this person is releasing the coin to me. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 10 minutes. The system has given him 10 minutes to release this fund. Okay, guys, now this is the amount of crypto that I'm going to get. This is the amount of Ethereum which I am going to get. Okay, you can see it here. I'm going to get 0.00184559 worth of Ethereum. Okay, so let's wait until the vendor release the Ethereum for us. Now, while waiting for the vendor to credit our wallet, please note that you can file an appeal. Let's say if the vendor did not release this coin at the right time, okay, as you can see his countdown time here. If it doesn't release it and the time elapsed, you can write an appeal, okay, or launch an appeal by clicking on this appeal button. Okay, it's a kind of a report, but it's not necessary yet. Okay, now as you can see, our wallet has been credited. Okay, our wallet have been credited. So I have gotten 0.00184559 Ethereum. Okay, guys, so the seller has credited our wallet. Then what I'll do now is I'm going to click on done, or better still, I'm going to click on check wallet. Now for now, let's click on check wallet. So let's see what he has sent to us. So I'm going to click on Ethereum. Okay, now as you can see, this 0.001 Ethereum worth $3. Okay, as you can see it worth $3. Now what we are going to do now is we have gotten the Ethereum, so we'll now dive into our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I'm going to open my MetaMask wallet, then we proceed from there. Now this is my MetaMask wallet. As you can see, I have Ethereum worth of $1.62. Okay, I hope you can see it on the screen. I have Ethereum worth of $1.62. Now, once you open your MetaMask, okay, once you open your MetaMask, make sure you click on this, on the button here. Okay, hope you can see it. Make sure you click on this button, okay, to change the network. What we're interested in is Arbitrum 1 network. So you tap on this, then you make sure that it is on Arbitrum 1 network. This is Arbitrum 1. Already I've set my wallet to this network already. Okay, so these are the different networks that we have in this wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on Arbitrum 1, which already is set. Then I'm going to tap on Ethereum. I'm going to click on Ethereum. Okay, then I'm going to click on receive, on this receive button. Now when I click on receive, I'm going to copy this address. This is my Arbitrum 1 Ethereum address. Okay, so this is what we're interested in, the Arbitrum 1 network, and that is the reason why we set this our wallet to be on Arbitrum 1 network. So I'm going to click on copy right now. Then I will go back to my Binance account. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to load up. Now this is our Ethereum which we bought. Okay, this is our Ethereum. Now I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, I want to withdraw this Ethereum to my MetaMask so that I'm going to use it to claim Avive profile NFT. So I'm going to click on the withdraw button. This is the button. I'm going to click on it right now. Then I'm going to click on send via crypto network. That is the first option. Okay, here I'm going to paste the address. Okay, I'm going to paste the address here. I'm going to select the network here, the amount of Ethereum which I want to send. I'm going to impute it here. Okay, so take note. That address which I copied, I'm going to paste it right away. Then here I'm going to select the network. Please pay attention to this. for it is very, very important. Now, remember, I selected Arbitrum 1 network. Here we have BNB, we have ERC20, here we have Arbitrum 1, and we also have others. Okay, now, but what we are interested in is Arbitrum 1 network, and that is what we are going to click on right now. Please do not make mistake of clicking on another network, because if you do, your Ethereum will be lost. Okay, now I'm going to click on Max. Sorry, I'm going to click on Max right now. So what it means is that the total number of Ethereum that I have in this wallet, I'm going to transfer all of them to my Arbitrum, to my MetaMask account. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on withdraw, so that I will withdraw it. Then here I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to pass some security tests here. Okay, this is a security verification, of which I'm going to do right now. Okay, now as you can see, the withdrawal is processing. Okay, so I'm going to give it a few seconds. Then I'll go back to my MetaMask to check if it has arrived. So right now I'm opening my MetaMask wallet to check whether the Ethereum which I sent has arrived. Okay, now as you can see, guys, this is it. Remember, we are still at Arbitrum 1 network, and this amount of Ethereum which I have has increased. Okay, initially here I used to have 1.6. Now it has increased. So guys, this is how to get the Arbitrum 1 network. Okay guys, but if you do not have up to 4,000 naira to spend in getting this, you can buy from a vendor, any vendor whom you trust. You can buy a lesser Arbitrum 1 network of Ethereum. All right, so you can get worth of 2,000 or 2,500 naira. Now make sure, just like I said in my previous video, you should ensure that the Arbitrum 1 network Ethereum that you have, it is up to $1. Okay, you can buy $2. Okay, so to cover for the gas fee. Now in this video, I'm going to drop at the description the link on how to go about claiming the Avive profile NFT. Already it's in this channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you click on it. Then if you're having challenges on how to get these Arbitrum 1 network, just follow the steps in this video one after the other. Hello guys, now if you find this video very interesting, if you think I've added a kind of value to humanity, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share my videos. If you have any question, do well to drop your question in the comment section, and I'm going to respond. Now I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link in the description. Okay, feel free to join my WhatsApp group so that you can communicate with me directly. Okay, then I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.